Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I decided to do 3 different thrift flips, one of them being accessories, another one being clothing, and then obviously I had to do home decor. I finally got around to doing my big frame. If you've been following me for a while, you have seen that big frame that I got thrifted. I didn't know where to put it, but I think I found a place for it in my bedroom. Right next to my bed, there's a wall that I feel is a little bit bare. So I thought I would do a wall art for my bedroom. So first DIY, I wanted to keep it in the whole neutral colors, but still keeping it very ethnic and having my Katya vibe. So let's start with my first DIY. Enjoy. Today is the day where I'm going to be DIYing this frame. I've been wanting to DIY it for a while. I have an idea of what I want to do, but it's DIY, so it can go with the flow. I start off with an idea and then end up sometimes in a different direction. I end up getting this frame at the thrift store. If you've been following me for a while, you know all about it. I fell in love with the frame. I'm not crazy about the artwork. The artwork's beautiful. The colors are not what I want. And I wanted to have obviously my neutral colors and have the frame blend in with the painting. So I think that that's what I'm going to do. At first I was like, maybe I can do a mirror out of it, which I thought was going to look beautiful, but I honestly don't need another mirror. I have so many mirrors everywhere. So I decided to do a painting probably for my bedroom. So that's what's on today's plan. Usually this will probably take 1 or 2 days to do. Sometimes one day, it depends. Sometimes it can last a whole week. So we'll see, I'm not sure. Let's grab this, take the painting out, and start visualizing what it is that I want to do. If you look at the picture and the painting next to my house, the colors, it's not working. It's not for me. I think in someone else's house it can look beautiful, but for me personally, I'm not a big fan of red. I'm not a big fan of yellow or blues. It's not my vibe. I love my neutral colors. I love my earthy tones. You guys already know this. So I definitely want to make it a little bit more, I would say, abstract versus a picture, an image. At first I thought of maybe putting some fabric, some mud cloth. I wasn't sure, or maybe doing a patchwork, but I think I'm gonna go with a geometrical, keeping it obviously in, I would say, the African ethnic vibes because of the frame, but I'm gonna play around and see what I come up with. Moving on to my second piece, my mother actually found this necklace thrift shopping, and I wasn't sure if I should keep the beaded necklace to it or should I take it out and then put a silver chain? So some of you wrote the most amazing idea, and that was to make it that I can change and interlock them and change the look of the necklace depending if I wanted to wear more silver with my silver jewelry or if I wanted to have more of the beaded look. I thought it was a genius idea. So I decided to take his advice and do it. One of them I feel I can wear a little bit more every day, but my kind of everyday, it's not for everybody, but for me, I wanted to add a little bit of pop of burgundy with the little tassels and coins and make it a little bit more gypsy and boho. I also wanted to use a silver chain. And then for the other one, I wanted to create something that was a little bit more ethnic vibes and a little bit more beaded and something that I feel I can wear in the summertime, more boho. So I love how it turned out. I am so happy. Not only do I have one necklace, I have two necklaces. So thank you so much for making that suggestions. I didn't even think of that. And that's why I love to hear your feedbacks, because you never know. And the fact that you suggested totally solved my problem. So anyway, let's jump right into the necklace part. Enjoy. Moving on to my last pieces, this is something I've been wanting to do for the longest times. I had seen this in different stores and I'm like, what, I can do this and I will do it at some point. I would never found the right blouses, I never found the right pieces. So I went thrift shopping recently and found 3 different men's shirts. So I decided to create a skirt with it, with men's shirt. And so I used 3 different fabrics, and also I found this top here at the thrift store as well in the kids section, and I thought it gave this grunge schoolgirl kind of look that I was going for, like a little bit more edgy. It was either that or I was going to wear maybe a leather jacket with it, but when I found this shirt, I thought it is so cute. It is exactly what I'm looking for. So I added some patchwork, I cropped it, and then I also did the skirt. So let's jump right into the last thrift flip. Okay, so the skirt is done. Then I actually found this super cute little cardigan in the kids section at the thrift store, and I wanted to embellish it. I wanted to put some little patches everywhere to make it a little bit more cool so that it can go with the skirt, have a schoolgirl preppy vibe, but with a cat's twist. It's a bit long, and so what I wanted to do is bring it up so that it's a little bit more cropped, so that when I wear the skirt, it's going to sit perfectly and maybe have a little midsection, a little bit showing, not too much. So I wanted to shorten it. I'm obviously going to shorten it above the pockets here. And I also wanted to add some patches on the sleeves. I noticed here that there's a stain on the sleeves. I washed it, tried to get the stain out, and it didn't come out. So I'm going to add a patch there. Sometimes I love to go in the kids section because it's crazy the things that you can find in that section as well. This was clearly probably a little boys or maybe a little girls, and I thought it was so cute and it would look perfect with plaid. Anyway, let's go ahead. I'm gonna cut, sew, serge, make sure it doesn't unravel. I could have cut it and maybe did a stitch and have it a little bit more frayed if you're going for that whole cooler, edgier vibe, but I wanted to bring back up the stripes that were at the bottom here so that it goes and gets the collar and at the end of the sleeves. So I'm probably going to cut, sew, serge, and then once that's done, I'm going to start placing all of the patches and make it look extra special. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know which thrift lip is your favorite. I would have to say my favorite is probably the necklace because I thought it was such a good idea from you, and I love how versatile and how many different ways I can wear it and that I can change it up. So I think I would have to say mine is the necklace. Moving on to the clothing part, obviously I got this hat. I believe it was maybe a few years ago. I think I got it at Shein. I'm not sure. I think it was Shein. Top, obviously thrifted. skirt thrifted. I got this necklace recently, this choker, I made it, and all of the jewelry, which there will be new jewelry up in the shop. I wanted to also create simple jewelry that you can wear every day, more simple and classy and timeless. So when this video is going to go up, there will be, I believe, 4 necklaces available, and I'm also working on some clothing, so stay tuned for that. So I am wearing, I believe it's the evil eye. I have the moon necklace as well, so moon. I have the evil eye right here with the horn. It has a little diamond like this, and then there's the coin necklace, and so it's pretty much all of Koikaya. So that's pretty much it. That is everything I'm wearing. Okay, and boots are from ASOS. I am obsessed with them. There's these simple black boots, but then they have this metal at the top here. If you're seeing it. Let me take off my shoe. It's a little bit more. There you go. Okay. So these are the black boots that I'm wearing, and then this is the silver toe that I was trying to tell you. It has this really cool Western grunge. I love to mix those two styles together, and I got these on ASOS. So that is it. That is the whole look. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up and your continuous support. It means so much to me and my channel. I love you, and I will see you in my next video, which is probably going to be a vlog, because I always love to do vlogs in between my DIYs or whatever come thrift with me's. I am preparing for our trip, which we are leaving not this week, the week after. So maybe I'm thinking of doing a closet clean out. Let me know if that's something you would want to see as well. I need to get rid of so many clothing, so I might even do a pop-up closet where you can buy some of my pieces online. So let me know if you want to see me cleaning out my closet. So anyway, I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye.